In this video, I will show you how to add new admin for your Weebly site to manage or design or edit any settings in your Weebly site. First, we need to log into the Weebly website. Next, we need to click Settings tab in the top menu. Next, we need to click this Editors tab on the left side of the page. On the right side of the page, we need to click Add Editor button. Here, we can add the email account of the person whom we want to add as the admin of the site. If we want to add any message to be sent in the invitation, we can add in this message box. And here, we can select admin or author, or this third dashboard only. To give complete control over the site to manage or make any changes, we can give admin permissions here. Once we click Save Editor, an email will be sent to the person whom we want to add as an admin. Once accepted, this is how the person will be visible in Weebly dashboard. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content. This email person can manage or edit any settings in the Weebly website.